So here we are on my YouTube channel, and this video is all about my 5 best places that I share all of my YouTube videos to help increase views. So the first place that I share all of my YouTube videos to is my Twitter profile. I share the YouTube URL that links back to my video that you can see just here, but I also actually share and post a separate image, the thumbnail image of the video, directing people to my YouTube video as well. And this is very effective because people can actually retweet my YouTube video link, or they can share it just by clicking a couple of simple links like I've just showed you now. So the second place that I share all of my videos to is my own Facebook business page. Once again, I share the direct YouTube video link, so that gets drawn through here to my Facebook page. People then get the option to click and watch the video directly. And while Facebook may not be happy with that because I'm sharing a YouTube link, the idea of when I launch any of my YouTube videos is to get them shared out to as many places as possible, as quickly as possible. Now, while saying that, I do upload videos natively or directly to Facebook as well, but still sharing a direct YouTube video to a Facebook page is another great way to help drive traffic and increase views to your YouTube videos. So the third place is that I share my videos again to another social media platform, this time LinkedIn. And I do that in a few ways. One of the ways is that I've activated the featured section here on my LinkedIn profile, and look how prominent all of my YouTube videos are appearing right at the top of my LinkedIn profile. And of course, I share directly the YouTube link or the YouTube URL, so that gets drawn through. And so when people are scrolling through my newsfeed looking for information or curious, up pops another one of my YouTube videos and they can click, play, and watch. And while still on LinkedIn, I also share my YouTube videos to my own LinkedIn business page or LinkedIn company page. That's right. So just like I have a Facebook business page, I also have a LinkedIn business page, and it just gives me another avenue to share all of my YouTube videos. Now, the fourth place that I share all of my YouTube videos to, and that is to the playlist that I've set up here on YouTube. Now, you can see here, I've got a whole series of playlists called 2022, LinkedIn for Business series, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, etc. So not only do I share the video directly to my YouTube channel, I also place it within a playlist series. The idea then, in this particular Twitter for Business series, there's 29 videos. So if someone clicks on this link, not only do they get to watch that particular video, but over here on the right, they then get to scroll through, like in this instance, 29 videos in a separate playlist. Now, all of these videos are on Twitter, so if someone wanted to binge watch and learn all about Twitter, 29 videos. So another great way to not only you get people to watch one of your videos, but multiple of your videos. The session time, the watch time on your channel will actually go through the roof. Which brings us to the fifth place that I like to be able to share all of my YouTube videos to, and you can also do the same, and that is to your own website. That's right, copy and paste the URL of any of these videos, paste it on your website. Not only your website, maybe you have a blog article that you write or a blog site that you actually manage. So embed the YouTube video link there as well. And part of all of that is your email list as well. Websites, blog articles, emails as well. Emails. Go to the comment section. Let me know where you're sharing your YouTube videos to. Let me know what success as well. There are some platforms I didn't mention, like Instagram and TikTok, but I will have some specific videos coming up on those two platforms soon. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of my videos. Tick the bell icon. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world.